Hello everyone and welcome back to another Scriptcase tutorial. Fred here from Scriptcase speaking. Today we're going to see how to customize the size and different formats of the upload fields of the forms of a Scriptcase. So here we go. Before getting started, let me show you how the validation works. So I have here just a standard Scriptcase form, which is using here a picture field for upload different types of images. If I click here, I can select my images. So I will go ahead with this file, which is a PNG format. So I will select this file and I will upload into my system. And data modified, my picture, it's okay, into my database. So now I will do the same sample but with a 600 kilobytes image. So here we have an error. So this is basically the validation. So the maximum allowable size is 25 kilobytes. So I will show you into Scriptcase how this works and how you can set up different types of rules. Of course, you will define your own rule for your system. Good, so let me go to my Scriptcase. As you can see here, this is just in a standard Scriptcase form, nothing special. And I have here into the field settings, I'm using the data type image database. But of course, this option works with other types of files. So we can also use the file name or the document database or even document file name. So basically these options applies for all these type of upload fields. In addition of this option, we have two new options. The first one is for set up here a new icon for the upload area. And this is pretty interesting because we can use icons from the library Font Awesome. And the second one is for make the upload area clickable. And finally, we can set up here the extension and upload size for each specific extension. For example, in this case, I'm using the PNG extension and JPG. So I have different size for each format, okay? So if I want to just use the same rule or the same size limit for more than one extension, I can just use my spacebar here and type JPG, okay? And I can apply the same rule, the same size limit rule for more than one format, okay? In previous versions of Scriptcase, this option was using the semicolon, but right now it's using the space. So pay attention at this. Another interesting thing is that we can use here the size limit into different formats. For example, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes. So basically this is the option. So I will be increasing the size limit to 700 here. And let me run the application and let's see how it works. Good, so if we scroll down here, we can click in the whole upload area right here, right? So I will use this same image. So the size in this case is 600 kilobytes. So let's go ahead here, save here, and data modified. So I have here my new rule just applied. So we are done here. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you also can apply this new feature of a Scriptcase, and I see you the next time.